Hello aviators, how are you today? My name is Magnar Nordahl, I am an airline captain and instructor. Today I will go through a report from Aviation Herald, and the headline says Incident, Turkish Airbus 332 near Istanbul on March 5, 2023, Durian return. Turkish Airlines Airbus 330-200, registration Tango Charlie, Lima Oscar Hotel, performing flight TK1855 from Istanbul, Turkey, to Barcelona, Spain, was already en route at flight level 380, about 300 nautical miles northwest of Istanbul in Bulgarian airspace, when the crew decided to turn around and return to Istanbul due to a pungent odor on board, followed by a cargo smoke indication. The aircraft descended to flight level 140 and landed safely back on Istanbul's runway 35 right, about 1 hour after the decision to turn around. Istanbul Airport reported cabin crew noticed the odor as sensor detecting bad gases in the cargo bay activated. The crew returned to Istanbul. Upon inspection of the aircraft, it was determined durian fruit, tropical delicacies, which however emit pungent odor when ripe, cause the odor and sensor activation. The passengers boarded a replacement aircraft, which reached Barcelona with a delay of 5.5 hours. Okay, durian is a tropical fruit growing in Southeast Asia. The biggest exporters are Thailand, Malaysia and Indonesia. This fruit is called the king of fruits, but as the report says, it has a very distinct odor and it's not very pleasant. Even people who love to eat durian, they don't like the odor. Many members of my family love the fruits. I don't. But we all agree the odor isn't very pleasant. What's new for me is that this fruit also give away some gases that can trigger a smoke sensor in an aircraft. This is the first time I ever heard about this happen. But because of this odor, and once you bring it inside, it will stay within the house for a pretty long time. And therefore, you will find in many hotels and buses, trains, etc., you will see signs with no durian. And it's absolutely a good idea not to break that rule. Because even if you bring it with you and eat it up in a hotel room, the stench, the odor will still stay in the room for a pretty long time, which means the hotel will have to deep clean the room. That costs a lot of money. Okay, that's all for this time. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and happy landing.